This website on my screen right now, this website is paying like crazy, And what is required is for you to perform this simple task of watching videos, commenting on the video and getting paid after. All right. Ask me again if this is real. Yes, I will answer you a million times. It's more real than Madrid. So stay with me till the end of this video. I'll be showing you payment proofs and what you need to know about this website to get started. All right. Here on my screen is what I have made just today, watching YouTube videos and commenting on them. Imagine getting this amount daily as an income. Just think of what will happen in a month doing this. It's going to be a crazy income flow. All right. If today is your first time hearing my voice, I go by the name Coach Ebenezer, your tech bro. What I do is that I explore deeply into the internet space, do my findings on what that works, be it new or latest update, based on what that can generate passive income online. Then I test run it to see if it works, and if it does, then I share the updates with you guys. So mind you, whatever you see here works because we do our in-depth review before sharing it. So if you like to be a part of this community, to stay engaged whenever we drop our videos, so kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell, like and comment if you are interested. All right. Okay, I have a video of a lady who has made a lot of cash from this by the name April. She will explain more about this website and how to start. I will also drop a video of her proof of payment from this website to her OPay account. Okay?
Just stay in this video. I'm going to explain as much things as possible. Once you log into your account, this is what you're going to be seeing. You're going to be seeing hello and your name. My name is April Ene. All right? So this is my current balance, 18,900 naira that has been approved. But for people, if you are new in the on the platform and you have not withdrawn before, you've not been paid before, it simply means you're going to be seeing something around here. You're going to be seeing something around here that is going to tell you that you have not selected a preferred payment method. That means you've not provided your NIN, your proof of identity, and your account details. That's okay. Don't worry about that. But my own is different because I have been able to do that before. I have passed that level and I have been paid before. So that's why I'm not going to see it on my platform. But you're going to be seeing it on your own account. All right. So once you are on your account, this is where you're going to see. You will see how you can select your payment option. Bank transfer is always the option, right? And now you see the total amount I have been paid. I have been paid 481,000 naira so far. That's what I've been paid so far on this platform. And if you click on see earning details, you're going to be seeing how much, the breakdown of how much you have been paid, like how much you're getting per video. Right now, you're going to see join referral program. Now, the referral program is where they pay 2,500 naira for anybody you refer. If you refer one person, you get 2,500 naira. If you refer 2 people, that's 5,000 naira. If you refer 10 people, that is 5,000. That's 25,000 naira. And also, I have a good news that I'm going to tell you at the end of this very video. Just stay with me, all right? So what you're going to notice is once you scroll down, you're going to be seeing list of videos that are available for you to engage with. Very simple. All you just have to do is click on this button. All right, it's going to take you to a video. Now you're going to be seeing all these videos, very simple videos. All right, now I have subscribed to this video so far. You see, I've subscribed to this channel, and you just have to like the video and drop a comment. I've already done that today. All I'm just going to do is to show you how to do it. Just click on subscribe, like the video. And somebody said he doesn't know how to comment on the video. It's very simple. Just click on this page, you see comments. Yeah. Once you click here, you're going to see where you can comment, all right? And then just drop your comments. Great. Just drop a good comment. Great video. You don't have to watch the entire video. All you just have to do is watch the video for like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and that's all. Just drop your comment, and that is all. You can then go back. So once you go back, what else are you expected to do? You will now claim your reward. You have finished watching the video. The platform has seen that you've watched the video. Make sure you watch the video and like, subscribe, and comment. Very important. Then you come here and you click on this to claim your reward. Very simple. That is all you have to do. It's going to bring you to this place, and then you can then, alright, you can then go back, here, right? So, but for some people, just clicking here might not be able to give you your reward, depending on the phone you're using, the browser you're using. So it says that it is best for you to open this in an incognito tab. That means just click on this, hold it, and then you're going to see this option where it says open in private tab. Some people is going to say open in incognito tab. Some people is going to say different things. Open it there, and that is how you will be able to claim your reward. It's as simple as that. There's nothing difficult. There's nothing you should bother about. All you have to do is repeat it for this video, 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 and then you are going to earn your reward. All right. Now, in case you have a question, you have questions that you don't understand, you can message them directly by clicking on make inquiries. You will see the frequently asked questions. Some people have asked questions before, so you can see some of the answers to the question. But if the answer you are looking for is not here, you can just type in your own question and ask them, and then they are going to include it here. All right, or they will use it back to you and give you the answer to your question. Now let's go back to here where it says your referral program. Once you click on join referral program, you're going to notice something. You're going to notice that there is something completely different. Here you see you earn points when you invite your friends. For anybody you invite, you get 2,500 naira. So far, I have not been focused on inviting people. All right, that's why I have just 5,100 naira on here. But very soon, and I said I'm going to invite more people. I'm going to focus more inviting people. So far, I just want to test out the platform, and it is working. That's paid me. I'm excited. What I want to do now is to start inviting people. By the time I start inviting people, my earnings will increase massively, and I'm going to share it with you people again. Now, this is most of the things you should know about this very platform. Now, the next thing I'm going to explain now is what I said is the good news. Now, every single week, they do have something they call the contest and raffle draw. This contest and raffle draw is very simple. All you simply have to do, is participate in the contest. Sometimes they will just ask you, be the first person or be among the first people to invite 5 people in a week, or to invite 10 people in a week. And you are going to get extra 50,000 naira for yourself, or 20,000 naira for yourself. Or be the first person to watch 10 videos or comment on 10 videos today, and you're going to get rewarded. Or they will say be the first person to do one thing or the other on the platform, and you're also going to get rewarded. Also, there used to be something called the community challenge or contest. This means that every community on the platform, I have my own community on the platform. Other people have their own community. They assign us into groups, all right? So they'll assign everybody into a group, and your group is now going to carry out a contest against another group. If your group should win, the group is going to get a specific amount that is going to be given to them, and then it can be shared among everybody, or it should be deposited in everybody's account. That is a very, very good option, and I'm going to be sharing more of that for you. What I just want to do in this video is to show you exactly how you can do every single thing and information about how you can get started. I hope this is very educating to you, and stay tuned. I'll drop more information.
So this is the proof of payment. You can see it is not an edited screenshot. This is a video and it's real. So guys, utilize this opportunity, utilize this update, and start earning cool cash for yourself while watching and commenting on YouTube videos. Okay, if this update was helpful, please kindly give us a thumbs up, by hitting that like button and comment. Also subscribe to our channel if today is your first time, and also turn on the notification bell, all right, to stay notified whenever we drop such updates. Okay, and share with your friends that you love. Okay, love you. Peace out. See you in the next video.